Hello, fellow paracorders. This is Kenn Hockenberry. I just wanted to bring you something that I've been doing. I end my paracord projects, and I try to get a nice clean end here, and I'm very disappointed in what I've been doing as opposed to what I'm doing now. Before, I would have to heat this up and then try to form it with my fingers, burn the crap out of myself, and sometimes I'd have to do it again and again to get the desired bubble on the end that I really want. Well, I came up with a really good idea, and that is a pair of pliers with a hole drilled in it. I used a 1/8 inch drill bit. I held it in a vise and drilled a hole through here. So what I can do is I can put my paracord into the pair of pliers, and what I do is I try to pull it back and forth to make sure it's not being pinched by the pliers here at all. And then I get a pair of scissors and I just snip that off. Nice clean end there. And then I, of course, singe it, get a nice bubble on the end, and then I pull this through the pliers, and then I open it back up, and I kind of use that as a mold to get the end shaped, and it always comes out really nice, really smooth. It's not grabbing at all anywhere, and it's very easy to make. So thank you for watching, and as always, keep your knots pulled tight. Thank you.